When you arrive here at Toyota Ashford, you get a fantastic warm welcome with a lovely waiting area with teas, coffees, water, Wi-Fi, TV, magazines, newspapers, so it's a really nice, friendly, family atmosphere. When you come here to Toyota Ashford, all of our sales executives are fully trained from Toyota and also in-house at Motorline, and then we'll find out about what kind of car it is you're looking for. Just basically try and help you really, there's no pressure. You just come in and we'll just look after you and just help you find what you're looking for really. We have a fantastic after-sales department here at Toyota Ashford. Our master technician has been here since he was an apprentice. He's been here for 20 years. All of our technicians, again, are fully Toyota trained and they go through a range of Toyota training courses, and we're continuously looking to progress and improve them, and they're all always moving to the next level up. We have people that have been buying cars off us for 45 years, so all the staff members here at Toyota Ashford want to make the customer happy and want them to have the best possible experience that they can. When you come in and you see all the staff, they are naturally smiling, they enjoy coming to work every day and they enjoy working here and they enjoy making the customers happy.